Every action we take, no matter how small or big, serves as a building block in the grand architecture of our lives. Imagine a pebble rolling down a hill. At first, it moves slowly and hesitantly, but with each inch it travels, it gains speed and confidence. This is the essence of momentum. It's the push we need to propel ourselves forward, to transform intentions into reality. Consider the daily choices we make. Waking up early to exercise, dedicating time to read, or even choosing to reach out to a friend can seem trivial at first. Yet these small steps accumulate, creating a rhythm that can lead to profound change. The early morning workout might ignite a spark of energy that fuels productivity throughout the day. That simple act of reading can expand our horizons, introduce new ideas, and inspire creativity. Each decision, each action, fosters a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing our belief in our ability to effect change. Conversely, inaction breeds stagnation. When we hesitate to act, we risk losing the momentum we could have gained. Procrastination can be a thief, robbing us of the opportunities that lie in the wake of our decisions. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the enormity of our goals, but breaking them down into manageable actions can shift our perspective. As we embrace the concept that every action builds momentum, we begin to understand that progress is not always about leaps and bounds. Sometimes it's the gentle roll of a pebble, gaining speed as it descends, carving its path through the landscape of our lives. Each step forward, no matter how small, becomes a testament to our journey, reminding us that we are capable of creating the life we envision, one action at a time. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.